Crikey, I can't believe we found one. I haven't seen one of these in a million years. It's a chia creature, there behind the bush.
Hi everyone, I'm the children's librarian Beth, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chia creature. To start, you should have soaked your chia seeds overnight in some water. They will be nice and sticky and gooey. And then you're going to take your milk carton and open it up like so. We have whatever colored paper you wanted that you're going to wrap around the carton and glue it. Okay. And then you can draw whatever you want your creature to be. I am going to make mine a frog. Go. And then I'm going to draw the rest of my critter body. Now that you have your completed chia creature, the last steps are to add the soil into the jar or a container. Then you're going to take your chia seeds and sprinkle them on top. You don't have to push them into the soil, and water it twice a day, morning and night. And in a few days, you should have some sprouts. Enjoy your chia creature.